Benefit 1 is that arrowroot powder is an excellent natural remedy for absorbing excess oils from the skin. This feature makes it particularly beneficial for individuals with oily skin, as it helps to reduce the greasy appearance and prevents clogged pores, which can lead to acne and other skin blemishes. Its absorbent nature can leave the skin feeling fresher and more balanced without the harshness of chemical oil control products. Benefit 2 is that arrowroot powder can soothe irritated skin. Its fine texture and natural properties make it gentle enough for sensitive skin, helping to calm inflammation, redness, and other irritations. This makes it a suitable ingredient for homemade face masks and skincare products targeting issues like eczema or dermatitis. Benefit 3 is that it promotes natural healing of the skin. Arrowroot powder contains minerals and vitamins that help nourish the skin and support its regeneration process. It can aid in repairing damaged skin tissues, which contributes to a healthier, resilient skin barrier. Benefit 4 is its ability to create a silky skin texture. When used in skincare formulations or as a standalone product, arrowroot powder can provide a smooth, silky finish to the skin. This feature can make it an excellent base for makeup or as a finishing powder to reduce shine and set products without looking cakey. Benefit 5 is its gentle exfoliation properties. Arrowroot's fine, gritty texture offers mild exfoliation, helping to remove dead skin cells and stimulate cell turnover for brighter, more radiant skin. Regular use can result in a smoother skin surface and enhanced product absorption. Benefit 6 is that it can improve the skin's natural moisture. Arrowroot powder can help the skin retain moisture by forming a barrier that prevents water loss, which is particularly useful in dry or harsh climates. This hydration boost can keep the skin plump, reducing the appearance of fine lines, and creating a more youthful complexion. Benefit 7 is its suitability for acne-prone skin. Arrowroot powder is non-comedogenic, meaning it doesn't clog pores. This makes it a safe option for people with acne-prone skin who are looking to control oil without exacerbating breakouts. Its soothing properties can also help reduce the inflammation associated with acne. Benefit 8 is its potential to lighten blemishes and dark spots. Over time, using arrowroot powder can aid in evening out skin tone by gradually fading scars and hyperpigmentation. While it isn't a rapid solution, consistent use as part of a skincare routine may contribute to more uniform skin coloring. Benefit 9 is the enhancement of skin product effectiveness. Arrowroot powder can be used as a carrier for essential oils and active ingredients, improving their delivery and absorption into the skin. The synergistic effect enhances the effectiveness of other skincare products, allowing users to maximize the benefits of their whole regimen. Benefit 10 is its application in making DIY beauty products safer and more effective. Arrowroot powder can be used as a natural thickener in lotions, creams, and masks, allowing individuals to customize their skincare products without relying on synthetic additives or chemicals, which can sometimes lead to irritation or adverse reactions. Benefit 11 is that it can refine the appearance of pores. Using Arrowroot powder in your skincare routine, you can take advantage of its ability to refine the appearance of pores, giving the skin a smoother, more soft focus effect. This benefit is particularly desirable for achieving a polished look, either naturally or under makeup.